Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zanele and this is a quick tutorial. It's an everyday look. To see how I achieved it, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Before I jump into the vid, I'm just gonna apply a bit of a hand cream. My hands are feeling really dry, plus I've been washing dishes like crazy lately. I don't know. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go in and do my brows real quick. So leave a comment down below and tell me if it's okay for me to skip the brows or to include the brows in every tutorial. Go in with this Almay Brow Styler. It's my favorite brow styler. Like, sets the brows nicely and it gives them that nice feathery look. To clean my brows, I'm gonna go in with this Fit Me Matte Polish foundation from Maybelline. It's one of my favorite. Like, if I have to mention top 5 favorite foundations, this one, the Fit Me, the Superstay from Maybelline. Those are my 2 favorite. The primer that I'm using today is this Revlon Rose Glow. It's about to finish, so I can't use the pipette, so I have to chuck it down. I'm gonna color correct a bit with this Avon corrector. The foundation that I'm using today is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm using only it. I'm just gonna go in with this Maverick palette from Revlon and I'm gonna apply it. This big in the shade. Bit of a liner. I'm gonna go in real thick here, and then I'm gonna attempt to do a really huge wing. I'm gonna go in with a mascara. Alright, while we wait for the mascara to dry, then I'm just gonna apply a bit of concealer to my under eye area. Just 2 highlights, nothing big. Contour, I'm gonna use this highlight and contour pad from NYX. Blush from Avon. Some bronzer from any girl. I'm gonna set my eyes with the palette from to set the rest of my face. I'm gonna go in with this Essence powder. Lip liner from Essence. Go in with my favorite lipstick from Revlon. This is the Rise Up Rose from the limited edition Shoot the Moon collection. This is a really quick tutorial. Hopefully when I do edit it, it's really quick. This was a really quick tutorial, and hopefully when I do edit it like 6 minutes, 7 minutes long. Make sure that you do give this video a like, and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Do enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.